To change out a keg, start by removing the keg coupler by pushing down on the keg coupler handle, pulling it outwards, then lifting up on the handle. Finally, twist the coupler until it pops off the keg. To hook up your new keg, line up the tabs on the keg coupler with the grooves on the keg. Then twist until the coupler stops. Now push the coupler handle down and it will lock in place. The last step is to repressurize the beer line. Find the corresponding fob and hold the bleeder valve for a few seconds. Then twist the knob up and back down. Finally, hold the bleeder valve for a few more seconds. Your new keg is now ready to dispense ice cold 29-degree beer.